often do you say I? I personally say it a lot. Without pronouns like I would have a hard time talking to you. Especially since I don't even know your name. Of course, French has pronouns too. It's too hard to say all those French words like essuie-glace all the time. So why am I just standing around? Let's get to those pronouns. I'll show you the pronouns and how they're used. Je parle français. Anytime you want to talk about yourself, you say je. Tu parles espagnol?
Non, je parle français.
Anytime you want to talk to a friend or someone in your family, you say tu. Il parle italien. Et elle parle français. Il and elle can be used all over to talk about a person or a thing. Salut. Nous parlons français. Hey, when you want to talk about yourself in a group, use nous. Vous parlez français?
Bien sûr.
In France, if you're talking to more than one close friend, you say vous, which is basically like saying you guys or y'all. Il parle allemand. To talk about more than one male person or thing, use il. Elle parle italien. To talk about more than one female person or thing, use elle. Vous parlez français? I would strongly suggest using vous when talking to royalty. It's basically the formal pronoun, and French speakers don't just use it for kings and queens, but also for any other person they don't know very well.
Monsieur, je parle anglais.
Okay, we're done. I'll see you later.